A California roll doesn't have to be this sad, tasteless, and boring. So here's my recreated version. I hope you guys like it. For my sushi rice, I'm going to fan it out onto a plate and then drizzle sushi vinegar using the back of my spoon. This is going to help it cool evenly.
Tell me you're here. Tell me you'll stay before I throw it all away. Birds don't fly the straight.
Here's my Alaskan king crab leg. I'm going to break it at the joints, cut off the shell, and pull out the meat.
Why should you now?
I know, California roll is not traditional sushi. It was invented sometime in the 70s in Hollywood using fresh king crab. Imitation crab just wasn't readily available at the time.
Now I pray for all the things I don't want.
After I have my crab meat out of the shell, I want to break it up into big chunks, add about a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and season with Furikake. There's two sides to the nori, a smooth side and a rough side. We want to put the rice on the rough side. So we're going to take about 1 cup of rice and gently push it into the nori.
Wheels down on that sand bleached road.
Sprinkle with my black sesame seed, my white sesame seed, and turn it over. Now I'm going to add my cucumber sticks, avocado, Tobiko, which is flying fish roe. It's really nice because it adds a little bit of crunch. My kids love it. And our crab mix on top. To roll the sushi, you want to pick up the back corners and put it on top of itself and just get it to sit on top of it, just on top of the nori. Keep rolling it till you're all the way around. Take your sushi mat, gently press all the way down the sides, and then cut into 8 pieces, and there you go. I have more sushi videos coming up this week, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.